Ketotifen. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand names, drug forms. Generic name, Ketotifen. Drug class, second generation H1 antihistamine, mast cell stabilizer, anti-allergic agent. Common brand names, Zaditen, Zaditor ophthalmic, Aloe, Ketasma varies by country, Ketov. Drug forms, oral tablets 1 milligrams, oral syrup U.2 milligram or country-specific strengths, ophthalmic solution 0.25%. Eye drops, single dose and multi-dose containers. Number 2. Definition: Ketotifen is an antihistamine and mast cell stabilizer used to prevent allergic reactions. It is commonly prescribed for allergic conjunctivitis and long-term prevention of allergic asthma in some countries, but is not effective for treating acute asthma attacks. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Ketotifen works through multiple mechanisms, blocks histamine H1 receptors, prevents mast cell degranulation, inhibits release of histamine, reduces release of leukotrienes, decreases eosinophil activation, suppresses inflammatory mediators, reduces allergic inflammation, prevents late-phase allergic responses. Result: decreased itching, reduced redness, less tearing, reduced allergic symptoms, prevention of allergic asthma exacerbations. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption well absorbed after oral administration. Bioavailability approximately 50% due to first-pass metabolism. Protein binding about 75%. Distribution widely distributed throughout body tissues. Metabolism, liver mainly metabolized by hepatic enzymes. Half-life approximately 21 hours. Excretion mainly through urine, small amount in feces. Onset eye drops within minutes, oral several days to weeks for full preventive benefit. 5. Uses: allergic conjunctivitis, seasonal allergies, perennial allergic rhinitis, prevention of allergic asthma, chronic urticaria, off-label, atopic dermatitis, selected patients, mast cell disorders, off-label. Number 6. Indications. Ketotifen is indicated for itchy eyes, red eyes due to allergies, hay fever, allergic asthma prevention, chronic allergic conditions, allergic skin disorders, long-term allergy control. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use Ketotifen in patients with hypersensitivity to Ketotifen, allergy to formulation ingredients. Use cautiously in liver disease, epilepsy, diabetes. Some syrups contain sugar, pregnancy, breastfeeding, children below approved age for specific formulations. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your healthcare provider if you have liver disease, kidney disease, seizure disorders, diabetes, glaucoma, pregnancy, breastfeeding, history of severe allergic reactions, current asthma medications. Avoid alcohol, driving until you know how the medicine affects you, abrupt discontinuation of asthma medications. Number 9. How to use hashed oral tablets. Take with or without food, preferably at the same time daily. Swallow whole with water. Syrup. Shake well, measure with dosing syringe or measuring cup. Eye drops. Wash hands. Remove contact lenses. Tilt head back. Instill 1 drop. Close eyes for 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid touching dropper tip. Wait at least 5 to 10 minutes before using other eye medications. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, oral 1 milligrams twice daily, may start with 0.5 milligrams twice daily if sedation occurs. Eye drops. 1 drop in affected eyes every 8 to 12 hours, typically twice daily. Children. 3 years, oral, depending on country. 1 milligrams twice daily or weight-based dosing. Ophthalmic, 3 years in many countries, 1 drop twice daily. Always follow local prescribing information and pediatric dosing recommendations. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if nearly time for next dose. Never double doses. Overdose symptoms: extreme drowsiness, confusion, rapid heartbeat, seizures, low blood pressure, difficulty breathing, coma. Treatment: emergency medical care, supportive treatment, activated charcoal when appropriate and timely, monitoring of heart rhythm and vital signs. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking stop and seek medical attention if severe allergic reaction, difficulty breathing, facial swelling, severe skin rash, vision changes, eye drops, persistent eye pain. Do not stop oral Ketotifen abruptly if prescribed as part of an asthma prevention plan without consulting your healthcare provider. Avoid alcohol, sedatives, driving if sleepy. Number 13. Side effects: common drowsiness, dry mouth, fatigue, weight gain, increased appetite, dizziness, headache, irritability, children. Eye drops, temporary burning, mild eye irritation, dry eyes, blurred vision, eye discomfort. Serious, severe allergic reaction, seizures, rare. Liver dysfunction, rare. Severe skin reactions, irregular heartbeat, very rare. Number 14, vital information. Not a rescue medicine for asthma attacks. Oral ketotifen may require several weeks before maximum benefit is achieved. Eye drops provide symptomatic relief for allergic conjunctivitis, but should not be used for infectious eye conditions unless directed by a healthcare provider. May cause drowsiness, especially when starting treatment. Remove soft contact lenses before using eye drops and reinsert them after at least 10 minutes if permitted by the product instructions. Continue taking the medicine regularly for preventive benefit. Number 15. Other drugs that will affect ketotifen. Possible interactions include alcohol, opioids, sleeping pills, benzodiazepines, muscle relaxants, sedating antihistamines, antidepressants, antipsychotics, anti-anxiety medications, CNS depressants, anti-diabetic drugs. Monitor blood glucose when clinically appropriate. Always inform your healthcare provider about all prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements you take. Number 16. Drug comparison. Ketotifen versus cetirizine. Ketotifen, antihistamine with mast cell stabilizing action, useful for allergy prevention and allergic conjunctivitis. Cetirizine, antihistamine mainly used for rapid relief of allergic rhinitis and urticaria. Ketotifen versus olopatadine. Ketotifen, ophthalmic agent used for allergic conjunctivitis with antihistamine and mast cell stabilizing effects. Olopatadine, similar dual-action agent, often associated with rapid symptom relief and longer dosing intervals depending on the formulation. Ketotifen versus cromolyn sodium. Ketotifen blocks H1 receptors and stabilizes mast cells. Cromolyn sodium primarily stabilizes mast cells without direct antihistamine activity. Ketotifen versus diphenhydramine. Ketotifen, longer-term allergy prevention with generally less sedation than first-generation antihistamines. Diphenhydramine, first-generation antihistamine with faster symptom relief but more pronounced drowsiness and anticholinergic effects. Number 17. Patient teaching. Take the medicine exactly as prescribed. Do not use oral ketotifen to treat an acute asthma attack. Continue asthma controller medications unless your healthcare provider advises otherwise. It may take several weeks for the full preventive effect of oral ketotifen. Avoid alcohol because it may increase drowsiness. Use caution when driving or operating machinery until you know how the medicine affects you. Remove contact lenses before using the eye drops unless your eye care professional advises otherwise. Do not touch the dropper tip to your eye or any surface to prevent contamination. Wash your hands before and after using eye drops. Store the medication at room temperature, away from heat and moisture. Keep all medicines out of the reach of children. Inform your healthcare provider if you are pregnant, planning pregnancy, or breastfeeding. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience difficulty breathing, facial swelling, severe rash, severe eye pain, or vision changes. Attend regular follow-up appointments if using ketotifen for long-term allergy or asthma prevention. Thank you. Have a nice day.